Welcome to the most positive channel on the planet, coming to you from the city of Cincinnati. It's the channel that's dedicated to spreading positive energy out here on a rainy day, spreading positive energy. It's the channel that's dedicated to going around the homeless camps, checking on the homeless family. We be paying the homeless family, friends, family members, and the children to collect cans, which we then take to the recycle center, turn them cans into cash, to bring that cash right back to the community by helping the homeless and the people get something to eat. I'm about to go to a friend house right now and pay him for the cans he collected. Spread the word about the positive channel. We out here spreading positive energy. We have over 300 videos where you can see us out here paying the homeless family and the people of the community to collect these right here, cans. Go knock on the door, drop off the money. Then I'm getting out the cold, getting out the rain until we meet again. My man, Steve there? Steve there? Whoa. Let's go. Waiting to make sure this young man get his money.
What's your name, brother?
Harold. All right, people. Until next time, spread the word about the positive channel. There go the cans. And we out. Peace.